Hey guys, so funny story. The other day I happened to pass D when he was in the FJ and I was in the S2K. And I always look, obviously, in the rear view. We waved and everything, kept going our ways. And I noticed that his rear passenger brake light was out. And then he happened to notice when I was driving past the other day that my driver's side turn signal and parking light was out. So guess what we're doing today? That's right, changing out some bulbs. Okay, so the turn signal and parking light is pretty simple. You see this gray connector right here? I can point this guy right here. You're going to reach through, grab a hold of the gray. You'll hear it click. You're going to go counterclockwise till you hear that click. Pull it up and out. Now you're ready to change out the bulb. Okay, to get the actual bulb out, this is what you do. You can hold it against the car like that, press down, and lift out. This is what's known as a dual filament bulb. You can see the two little things on the bottom, two little dots. That means there's two filaments inside because it's doing double duty. Let me get the new one. So it's always a good idea to hold a brand new bulb with rubber gloves because you don't want your oils from the fingers to get on it and explode. Okay, you'll notice the post here, or the little nub, is a little bit closer to the ground here than this one is. You're going to want to make sure that that goes in on the longer side right here, depending on how you're holding basically the connector. So you're going to push it in like this, turn a quarter turn, and boom, it's in. So now I'm going to go ahead, take off the glove, and put it back in without touching the bulb. A little bit easier to get out. And we're good. Okay guys, never assume that the bulbs work, that the brand new bulbs work. So what we're going to do now is check them. Okay, let's have the driver's side turn signal. Perfect. How about passenger? Awesome. How about parking lights? Sweet. How about four-way flashers just for the hell of it? We're good to go. Yay! Okay guys, now it's rear tail light time. So what you're going to do is open up the hatch, and there's a little access panel right here. Use a little plastic thing like this. Do not use a screwdriver because we know how well these scratch. And what you're going to do is stick it in deep and pop it out just like that. And be careful you don't get your other hand in the way because it hurts. Okay, and the bulb is way down in there. Okay, now that the access panel is off, I'm going to show you where the bulb is. See that little beigey bulb right there? Now, my hand can fit, although the plastic is kind of tough on my hands and it kind of hurt. So what I'm going to use are my long needle nose pliers. So I'm going to reach in, and it's going to be counterclockwise, and I'm going to pull it out. So let me turn this off. Okay. See how easy that was? There we go. And I believe, is this also pressed down? No. Oh, I think it actually just, yeah, pulls right out. Perfect. Here's the old bulb. I'm going to put on a glove and get the new one back on. Okay guys, here's the new bulb. I've got my glove back on, and now I'm going to plug it straight in. I don't think these are directional, so I'm just going to pick whatever direction works for me and plug it right back in. Let me, I need a little bit of light. There we go. Yep, it snapped right back in, and now I'm going to go ahead and finagle it back in the hole. And keep my glove on for that. Okay, I'm going to try with the pliers again. I feel like I'm going to break it. Hold on. Put the glove on this hand. Instead of wearing two gloves, I'm being very frugal right now. Okay, so you can kind of... Perfect. Now it's in. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and check the rear bulbs. Let's do the brakes. Perfect. Let's do the four-way flashers. Awesome. Let's do turn signals. Got that one. Got that one. Bam, we're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna put the numbers of the actual bulbs we used in the comments below, or in the bio. Yay.